Mommy, be quiet.
Okay.
No, you can't grab the camera, Frog.
I don't know what to do with this, I guess.
See if Mommy can make it.
Nope.
Nope, Mommy can't make it.
Alright, Daddy. You gonna help Daddy? Go! Nope.
Nope. Recording our lives.
Not quite. You're okay. My turn.
Daddy had a quick turn.
As it happens when you don't get anything.
Mm-hmm.
This kind of shot is my specialty.
Yes.
I don't think this kind of shot is.
No, I don't think so either.
Oh.
Almost.
Oh.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Mommy.
You gonna help Daddy? You're just gonna look at the camera.
I suck.
Yep.
Shut up.
Hey! Oh, we want the camera.
Mm-hmm, we want the camera. First we want the camera.
Alright, let's see if I can do this. Nope.
Mm-mm. No, let go of my arm. Dad needs to make one of your frogs. Can you let it make one?
Nice.
Make one.
Very nice. Hey!
Oh, it's lost.
I win.
You win.
2-1.
Stop now.
Whatever.